Hello everyone, Archana here. I am here with this finished album. So first of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you who bought this kit, and I had a request for inside pages tutorial. So I am trying my best to give you a tutorial for inside pages as well, but the video will be fast forwarded since it will take like more than 2 hours to finish. So please bear with me, and I hope you will get an idea how I decorated inside pages while seeing my tutorial video. So let's hope for good. And I already have a tutorial video posted for this cover page how I decorated this one. So now this video is flip through video, and after that I'm going to post the detail tutorial. So let's get started. First of all, this beautiful cover I already show you in my last video. So this is the beautiful decorated cover, and then this album is 8 by 8 album, and album is the pre-made album is by 49 and Market, and it's really good album, and it has a inserted waterfall booklet, so I'll show you later on. So for the first page I have created this area for mother, so you can see all the beautiful designer paper and some die cuts, and like fussy cut, not die cut. So this one is die cut, and then this one is already in the kit, this sentiment, very beautiful sentiment. And then I do have a space here for a picture, and this one area for big picture you can tuck in here. And then all the flaps opening from your right side, but I'll show you how I used all these flaps. So first flap I have folded 2 inches. This flap, it should be like that, but I have folded it and I created a pocket, and there is a little envelope inserted here, and this opens like that. There is a space for picture, here is a space for picture. And then on the other side, this AG art frame, like photo frame, it is a die I have listed in my store, you can check if you are interested. So this is very decent size die, 4 by 6 inches picture will go easily in there. So you can see it goes like that, and I have created beautiful floral cluster on one side, very beautiful, right? And then this page open like that, and this flap has 2 big pages for the picture. I didn't do anything inside since there is no gusset in here, so we cannot do any bulky decoration inside, so it is just meant for picture. So this can be closed easily, but since we have half inches gap in 2 pages, we can create something a little bit 3-dimensional on top of these pages. Here I have created couple of flaps. So these are 4 by 6 cards I have used, and this seam binding which is already included in your kit. So this one open like that, and then this card can open like this. There are 2 spaces, 3 spaces for your pictures, and also there is a little pocket up there, you can see. Okay, and there is a beautiful decoration you can see already on one side, and on the other side we have a card. This top card is a closure for both of these cards, so I will explain you. So first of all, you need to take out this top card, and there is a pocket, very big nice size pocket right here, you can see. And you can add so many pictures or any additional pictures there. This area is for picture, you can stick the picture on here. Here there is tuck-in area right there, so you can put the picture here. Then this page open like that. There are 2 spots for pictures, and then this card also has a 4 picture spots, and when you tuck this in, you need to slide it nicely down till this tuck-in spot like that, and this will not open. So this card will be securing both of these pages. It prevent to keep opening all the pages. So, and then this middle page, since I told you all all flaps opening from your right side, but this flap I just turn inside on opening on left side. So you will have this middle two wide pages, you can see, very nice, right? So you have very nice uh, picture area, so you can even use lots of small pictures or big pictures here, and it closes like that. And then next page, for next page I have created a tuck-in spot here on the corner. You can see this beautiful decoration, and this card goes right there. So I have this decorative card here, and then this flap opens like that. So you have a very nice area for pictures. And then this card, when you tuck in, this prevents opening this back flap. So this is like a closure for this flap. And then on the other side we have a big pocket right there, and there is a spot for pictures. Inside also you can keep so many pictures, and here is a tuck-in spot for smaller pictures or any journaling. And I have added these fussy cut images, these frames, so you can use small wallet size pictures as well on there. And here is also a small tuck-in spot, you can just put small picture here. And this page opens like this, and there are two flaps. So this one flap I cut in the middle, exactly in a half. So this flap creates two different spots, so you can open this like that. So two picture spots, and then there is a big pocket, and here is also you are sticking all your pictures. And inside also I just added a couple of very cute and then it's closed like that. And this part is a waterfall, so this is very easy to decorate. What I did, just I cut all the decorative designer papers as per the measurement, and I just simply stick on this. You don't need any bulky decoration on this one, since it's already a very nice size. You can see it's very nice size waterfall album, so you can just need to stick your pictures, so album will close nicely. If you put 3D things on that, album will not close properly. There is a ½ inch gap, and this album is a ½ inch wide, like thickness. So just the thing is, keep it simple as possible. It opens like this, then there is a tuck-in spot for a picture I have created right there. And then you can see all the waterfalls, very nice size for 4x6 size pictures you can fit in. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, so 12 13 pictures almost, and 14 pictures are here also. This area also you are sticking any pictures, so many pictures you are going to stick on this spot. And there are small these circles, so I just stick these fussy cut images on those circles, or you can just punch out couple of designer paper circles and hide this spot. So this is how I created this album. I decorated also, so I hope you really like it. And next is the inside pages quick tutorial I am going to give you, and please stay tuned. And this is it, this is our beautiful album. I just wanted to share with you, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for purchasing the kits. Bye for now.